Use: apple, cider vinegar, garlic and honey before bed, and see what happens to your body. Amazing benefits revealed. Did you know that 3 simple ingredients sitting in your kitchen right now could completely transform your health while you sleep? Apple cider vinegar, garlic and honey, when combined and taken before bed, create a powerful synergy that most people have never heard of. Tonight, I'm going to show you exactly what happens to your body when you try this ancient remedy, and trust me, the results will shock you. By the end of this video, you'll understand why thousands of people swear by this bedtime ritual and why you'll want to start tonight. Hey everyone, welcome to Health Action Channel. So you've probably seen or heard about the amazing claims surrounding a powerful trio: apple cider vinegar, garlic and honey. Some folks even say this combination can conquer everything from asthma and arthritis to high blood pressure and, yes, even cancer. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? Garlic, honey and vinegar. The combination of these 3 ingredients can even defeat cancer. Asthma, arthritis, hypertension, infertility, impotence and even cancer. All these terrible diseases cannot resist the healing elixir. Drinks made of honey and vinegar have existed for thousands of years. Also known as oximal, the combination of honey with some kind of vinegar creates a syrup that's usually added to water or another liquid and then drunk. Since ancient times, people have used the mixture to prevent or improve many conditions: epilepsy, snake bites, asthma, colds, fevers, constipation, tuberculosis. While some of these ideas have been disproven, today people all over the world continue to drink the mixture for the health benefits they hope to gain, such as weight loss or healing infections. You can find both ingredients at grocery stores around the globe. For high blood pressure, this is true. I already tried this before. From 180 over 150 blood pressure down to 130 over 80, it becomes normal. From drug maintenance for over 12 years. Now free from that drug's maintenance. From weight 88 kilograms down to 73 kilograms. With, of course, the help of healthy diet and simple exercise too. Eating apples a day and banana is also a combination to achieve real health. Includes oolong tea and green tea help too. Spinach and other green leafy vegetables included. If you have good blood cholesterol and maintained blood pressure, might also one step to cure heart ailments. Also, I use that mixture with cayenne as a hot drink when I have a cold or flu. It tastes pretty good, soothes the throat, and provides hydration. I have some ideas about the benefits of the various ingredients, especially ginger, cayenne, and garlic. But I would suggest that people do their own research if they choose to self-medicate. Unless someone has an allergy or sensitivity, there is little chance of harm from this combination. The action of the medicinal drink is explained by a powerful increase in immunity and a decrease in the level of bad cholesterol in the body. Already after 2 weeks of constant intake of a mixture of garlic, honey and vinegar, even patients with a severe form of diseases show improvement. Has no side effects, and for perfectly healthy people, elixir of honey, garlic and apple cider vinegar is a godsend. Our 1 cup apple cider vinegar. Our 1 cup fresh natural honey. 10 garlic cloves, peel the garlic from the skin. Mix whole garlic cloves with vinegar and honey. Place the mixture in a tightly sealed jar. Take 1 tablespoon on an empty stomach. You can wash it down with water or tea, but be sure not to eat for another 15 minutes after drinking the elixir. What a potent trio! Garlic, honey and vinegar have been celebrated for their health benefits for centuries. Garlic is known for its immune-boosting properties and potential anti-cancer effects, while honey adds natural sweetness and has antibacterial qualities. Vinegar, especially apple cider vinegar, is often praised for its ability to aid digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. Well, the idea of mixing honey and vinegar isn't new at all. In fact, people have been using a concoction called oximal for thousands of years. Think of it like a syrup, usually mixed with water and then sipped. Back in ancient times, people used it for all sorts of things, from snake bites and fevers to colds and even epilepsy. Now, while some of those ancient beliefs have been disproven, this age-old mixture is still popular today. People worldwide continue to drink it, hoping for benefits like weight loss or helping with infections. And the best part? You can find all these ingredients easily at any grocery store. I can actually speak to some of the benefits myself. For years, I struggled with high blood pressure, hovering around 180 over 150. I was on medication for over 12 years. But with the help of this mixture, alongside a healthy diet and some simple exercise, things like eating an apple and a banana a day, drinking oolong and green tea, and loading up on spinach and other leafy greens, my blood pressure dropped to a healthy 130 over 80. I'm now off those medications, and I even went from 88 kilograms to 73 kilograms. It truly felt like a step towards better heart health. Apple cider vinegar, ACV. ACV is made by fermenting apples with yeast and bacteria, and its main active compound is acetic acid, which gives it that distinct sour taste. It's become a popular home remedy for all sorts of things, from acid reflux to warts. But here's where we need to be clear. The claim that ACV treats cancer is a bit of a misconception. This idea actually stems from research in the early 1900s by Nobel Prize winner Otto Warburg. He observed that cancer cells produced lactic acid as they grew, suggesting that cancer might be linked to high acidity and low oxygen in the body. Based on this, some people jumped to the conclusion that making your blood less acidic could kill cancer cells. ACV then got tagged as alkalizing, meaning it reduces acidity in the body, unlike other vinegars. However, the truth is that ACV does not significantly change your blood pH. Your body has a very sophisticated system to keep your blood pH tightly regulated. While ACV has many benefits like aiding digestion, helping with blood sugar control, and having antimicrobial properties, it's not a cancer cure. Garlic. Garlic is truly a powerhouse in the world of natural health. This pungent little clove has been revered for centuries, not just for its distinct flavor, but for its impressive range of health benefits. One of the most widely recognized advantages of garlic is its contribution to heart health. Studies suggest it can play a significant role in lowering blood pressure by helping to relax and widen blood vessels, which improves blood flow. Furthermore, it's known to help reduce bad LDL cholesterol levels and prevent the oxidation of cholesterol, a key step in the hardening of arteries. By doing so, garlic contributes to a healthier cardiovascular system and may lower the risk of heart disease. Beyond the heart, garlic is a fantastic immune booster. It's packed with sulfur-containing compounds, particularly allicin, which is responsible for much of its medicinal punch. These compounds are believed to directly stimulate immune cells and enhance the body's defense mechanisms. This is why many people turn to garlic when they feel a cold coming on, as regular consumption may help reduce the frequency, severity, and duration of common colds and other infections. Think of it as giving your body's natural defenses an extra layer of armor. Furthermore, garlic is recognized for its potent anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases, and garlic contains various beneficial compounds that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. This makes it a valuable addition for those looking to manage inflammatory conditions like arthritis or simply support overall well-being and faster recovery from physical stress. Adding garlic to your daily routine is an easy and flavorful way to tap into these remarkable benefits. Ginger, the zesty root with healing power. If you're considering enhancing your health mix, adding ginger is an excellent choice. This incredibly versatile and aromatic root has been a staple in traditional medicine and culinary practices for thousands of years,
and for good reason. It brings a wealth of benefits that are both scientifically supported and widely appreciated. One of ginger's most famous and well-documented attributes is its remarkable ability to combat nausea. Whether you're experiencing the disorienting queasiness of motion sickness during a long journey, the delicate challenges of morning sickness during pregnancy, or even the side effects of certain medical treatments, ginger has proven to be a reliable, natural remedy. Its active compounds, like gingerols and shogalls, are believed to interact with receptors in the digestive system and brain that influence nausea and vomiting, helping to calm a turbulent stomach effectively. Beyond its prowess against nausea, ginger is also a phenomenal digestive aid. It's known to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which are crucial for breaking down food efficiently. Furthermore, ginger can accelerate gastric emptying, meaning it helps move food more quickly from your stomach into your small intestine. This can be incredibly beneficial for anyone who frequently experiences bloating, gas, or indigestion after meals. If you often feel sluggish or uncomfortably full after eating, incorporating a bit of ginger into your diet can help your digestive system run more smoothly and comfortably. Moreover, ginger truly packs a punch with its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation is increasingly recognized as an underlying factor in many modern health issues, from joint pain to more serious conditions. The powerful compounds in ginger, particularly the gingerols, are responsible for these anti-inflammatory effects, helping to reduce pain and swelling throughout the body. Simultaneously, ginger acts as a potent antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals that can damage your cells and contribute to aging and disease. This dual action makes ginger an invaluable addition to support overall cellular health and your body's natural defense mechanisms. Adding ginger not only enhances the flavor of your mix, but provides a robust, holistic boost to your well-being. Honey, more than just a sweet treat. And finally, let's talk about honey. This golden, viscous liquid is far more than just a delicious natural sweetener. For centuries, honey has been revered across cultures for its remarkable medicinal properties, making it a valuable addition to any health-boosting regimen. One of honey's significant contributions is its impressive antioxidant properties. Honey contains a variety of compounds, including flavonoids and phenolic acids, which act as powerful antioxidants. These substances help to fight off oxidative stress in your body, a process caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. By neutralizing these free radicals, honey helps protect your cells from damage, contributing to overall health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Think of it as a natural shield for your body's tiny building blocks. Beyond its antioxidant power, honey is widely cherished for its soothing effects, especially when you're feeling under the weather. It's a classic remedy for sore throats and coughs, providing immediate relief by coating the irritated lining of your throat. This soothing action is often combined with honey's natural antimicrobial properties. Honey has a unique composition that makes it difficult for bacteria and other microbes to thrive, thanks to its low water content, acidic pH, and the presence of hydrogen peroxide. This makes it not just a comfort, but a subtle aid in fighting off unwelcome invaders. So, the next time you reach for honey, remember you're getting a lot more than just sweetness. So, while this trio of apple cider vinegar, garlic, and honey is incredibly beneficial for overall health, supporting your heart, immune system, and digestion, it's crucial to understand that it is not a treatment or cure for cancer. Always consult with a healthcare professional for serious health concerns. That said, as a natural way to support your well-being and possibly help with other conditions, this ancient mixture might just be worth a try.